Tired of your dog's over-enthusiastic greetings? Let's master the art of no-jump hellos. Positive reinforcement is key. Reward calm behavior to encourage polite greetings. Consistency across all interactions is crucial. Ensure everyone follows the same training rules. Manage the environment to prevent jumping. Use leashes or baby gates during initial training. Try the 4 on the floor technique. Reward your dog when all paws are grounded. Teach hand targeting as an alternative to jumping. It's fun and keeps your dog focused. Remember, patience is key. Consistent practice will lead to lasting results. Use enrichment games to promote calmness and reduce overexcitement. Many dogs have mastered no-jump greetings. Your furry friend can too. Ready to start your no-jump training journey? Click the link below for more resources.